Handling child support can be challenging, especially when life changes. In Louisiana, either parent can ask to adjust a child support order if there's been a significant change in circumstances, like a change in income, custody, or the child's needs. This video explains what you need to know about modifying child support in Louisiana. When should you request a modification? You can ask for a change if there's been a material change in circumstances. The court will decide if the change in circumstances justifies a modification. What qualifies as a material change in circumstances? A material change includes things like a significant change in either parent's income, job loss, new job, promotion, etc. A change in custody or visitation that affects financial responsibilities. New or increased needs for the child, like medical or education expenses. Changes in family structure, such as remarriage or new children. Health or disability changes that impact financial needs or earning ability. One parent relocating, especially if it impacts visitation costs. Or new significant expenses, like medical bills. When are you eligible to request a modification? You can request a modification if there's been a significant change in circumstances, such as income, custody, or the child's needs. It's been more than 3 years since the order was issued or last modified, even if there hasn't been a major change, or the current order differs by 25% or more from what would be calculated under today's guidelines. How often can I request a modification? You can request a review every 3 years to ensure the support amount follows current guidelines, even without a major change in circumstances. If there is a significant change in circumstances, you can request a modification anytime. Can either parent request a modification? Yes, either parent can request a modification, not just the parent paying support. Do I need to go to court? To modify a child support order, you usually need to file paperwork with the court that issued the original order and attend a hearing. If your case is with DCFS, you can ask them to review your order and request the court to modify it on your behalf, but a judge must approve the change. What documents will I need? You'll need to provide certain documents when requesting a modification. This typically includes proof of income, employment information, documentation of child care expenses, health insurance information, records of educational expenses, a copy of the current custody agreement or court order, and financial statements with a detailed list of monthly living expenses, including housing, utilities, transportation, food, and other essential costs. You don't always need a lawyer, but legal help can be useful if your case is complex. Louisiana has several free or reduced cost options for people who can't afford a lawyer. For more information about modifying child support or finding a lawyer to help, visit louisianalawelp.org.